What's up, everyone? Welcome to episode 5. We're out here trying
Episode 5. This is episode 1, dude.
Oh, I guess of urban. Okay. Welcome to episode 1 of the Urban Fishing Challenge. So essentially, Austin and I will be picking spots that are within probably half an hour of our houses-ish.
Yeah.
And we're gonna be trying to catch fish, obviously. Yeah, this is kind of our first episode, obviously, so we're just gonna be, I guess, trying out and see how everything works.
I'm gonna be going for trout.
Yeah, trout.
Rainbow trout out here on the Boise River. Runs straight through town. It's raining today, so that's gonna suck.
Yeah, it's been sunny for probably 2 hours, and Austin just took his sweet time. And of course, when we're finally about to fish, I mean, it isn't horrible, but
I had to make dinner.
It's starting to rain a bit. Yeah, it was tasty. Thank you for that.
So we're gonna hop out and grab our gear and see if we can't catch ourselves some fish.
I guess
we don't know where we're going.
Yeah.
We're gonna go see if we can't reel in some fish.
Yeah, we're gonna try to find spots that are promising.
These stairs are so short.
I know. Sure, like the fish I'm about to catch.
Oh.
I guess how much on my camera for when Austin falls over.
No, that is not cool. I'm not gonna fall. Ow.
See what I mean? He will fall for sure.
Rain is coming down. You could have borrowed a rain jacket. I have a couple.
I'm pretty sure I'll be okay. But okay, this is on camera. He offers when we're at the spot instead of 2 hours ago when it was starting to pour. So it is on camera. I have camera evidence. He offers as we're here.
He could have asked. He could have asked if he wanted one. Oh man.
Yeah, it's starting to get a bit chilly, so.
Oh. Oh man.
Maybe we aren't.
Oh. It's a good thing I wore a waterproof jacket. Maybe we'll get lucky and it'll only last. I mean, if you look at the clouds, there's not a ton. It's going that way. We're down under the bridge. There's this nice little eddy that one of the legs of the bridge creates. I think that nice slow water will help.
Put my pliers away. Okay, so for my first hook, I'm gonna put on this rainbow-ish color one. Since it's sort of cloudy out here, hopefully it'll kind of grab the fish's attention. And Austin's taking forever, so I'm gonna get the first cast out here and hopefully get into some sort of something. That's the goal. Hopefully get into some sort of something. That's the goal. It's pretty chilly. We're kind of hoping that somewhere we will have I forgot what I'm saying. Hopefully it clears up, but right now it's not
promising.
Yeah, it's not looking very promising. So let me put you guys back on Austin.
It's orange and black. Hopefully we catch something with it. Hopefully I catch something. Forget what Taylor wants. I'm catching the fish today, not him.
So Austin and I are out
think I'm gonna have to make some tea when I get home because it's cold. We're almost back to the car and it has started to rain much harder, which is just lovely. But we came out empty-handed, unfortunately. I'll give you guys a little bit of a recap when we get dry and back to the car.
It's pouring out, absolutely pouring out here. Which isn't very suitable to go fishing in, so yeah, we basically got our butts kicked.
We got wet and came out with nothing.
I cannot see.
Let's see. Well, this is what it looks like right now.
You guys probably can't even see here. I'll stop. Hold on. I'll stop. There you guys go.
All right, guys, stay tuned. Hopefully have some great stuff and maybe some fish next time. Peace.